I am Dan Costa, the Chief Content Officer at Worth Media Group, and I'm here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm here with Vince Tizzio, the President and CEO of Access Capital. Vince, we have a little bit of time. You got to go ring a very important bell.
You bet.
But talk to me a little bit about the last 2 years at Access, the nature of the risk landscape. How has it changed?
Dan, it's great to be with you. In the last 2 years, we have seen no letting up on catastrophe events, whether they be wildfires, hurricanes, convective storms. At the same time, we've seen the effect of social inflation, runaway jury verdicts taking its toll on the balance sheets of many insurance companies. Against that backdrop, we've been dealing with geopolitical instability and economic uncertainty. So in a word, it's been dynamic. Access in its last 2 years has reshaped its operating strategy to be much more responsive to the needs of our customer base. We're a global specialty underwriter. We have an insurance business and a reinsurance business, and we're really pleased about our ability to deliver those solutions. In respect to the risk landscape, if you think about the risk landscape around cyber, climate, and energy, we're leading propositions that help insureds, commercial insureds, solve their risk transfer needs. And in each of those respective marketplaces, they have their own subset of phenomenons that are affecting them, making it increasingly difficult for insureds to feel the safety. And thus, we think it's a really good time to be seeking out Access solutions.
So I think people understand the nature of the risk and have seen what's been happening. How have you adjusted your business in order to adapt to that environment?
Well, first, we've made a substantial set of investments in the provision of data and analytics to really help our catastrophe modeling teammates make certain that they're giving our underwriting team good insights. Additionally, we've introduced any number of customer segmentation lenses into our go-to-market approach. And then finally, we've redoubled our standards on the service delivery, and we believe the maxim of people doing business with those they know, like, and trust is critical.
So where does this all go? What are your plans for the future?
Well, first, we want to deliver on the commitments that we made at our Investor Day in May of 24, and there's a number of outlined financial indices, including mid-teens book value per share growth over the course of the cycle. As important, however, is to be responsive to the needs, the risk needs of our insureds, and they're evolving. I mentioned just a few that are fairly substantial. Being able to do that consistently and with financial security behind the paper that we bring to market is really important to us.
Excellent. Well, Vince, thank you so much for taking the time to
Thanks
talk to me
for
today.
having me.
I'm sure we'll talk more in the future.
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.